Welcome back to Pam's Blog Vibes. I'm Pam and welcome. If you're new here, thank you for subscribing. We're glad to have you here. I know I am. I am so glad to have you here. But today, what I got going on, as you can see behind me, it is a hot mess. I got some units here. I got some boxes over here because I do have a Posh account. And then I have some boxes up here. I have some packages that came. I got it going on and on and on. As you can see, my shelf unit here is all in disarray. It's all in disarray. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm not going to say I can complete this in one day, not even 2 days, but I got to start somewhere. And so I'm going to start today. This is how far I have come. I had to remove everything in order to start out with a fresh slate. And this is what it is looking like now. So what I'm going to be doing, excuse the echo guys, I'm going to put some containers here for storage, and then I'll put some containers here and here. And so it's going to be pretty cool. Nice and neat and organized. So let's get started. So I am all done. I have finished. It is nice. It is neat. It is organized. I am so excited. I love it. This is what it's looking like. I'm not going to pretend that it did not take me 2 days, because it did. It truly did. but I am so excited of how it came out. Look at this. Look at this. So what I did is I took this old shelving unit that I had and I just started to clean it, and I put all of my hair tools in the first shelf. I have some braid hair in the second shelf. This shelf is free. This shelf is free. I did take all of my braiding hair and some of my units, and I did hang them to free up some of the shelf space, as you can see, which was a great idea. I got rid of all of the boxes. So these are some of my units. I keep them this way. This is how I am storing them. So yeah, the super cute. Super nice. And so these units here are some of my newer units that I will be getting to soon. So look forward to those reviews. And yeah, guys, this is nice. This is so neat. These are some extra napkins that I have for the dining area. I freed up this space. That's my iron, but I think I'm going to move that to the laundry room. I freed up that. This is my craft go-to. It has like spray paint, glue, such as those batteries. It also has like some tools that I use, possibly some candles that I use. So yeah, this is my unit for Posh. These are some of the things where I store my Posh here. Drawers, packaging, tissue paper, cards, and so forth, boxes. So I do store that here, which makes it all the more convenient. This area here is just memorabilia, old photos and such. I did say that I was going to put some containers here, but I just got these dollar store shower caddies, and so they're doing just fine. It's working out great. I love it. And so I did not need that, and so I was going to put some containers here, but I like the space to be open, so I love that. And so this was a refresh, a redo on a budget. Did not cost me a dime, and so that is all the more reason why I am loving it. But yeah, guys, this is how it came out, and I am so super excited about it. Love it.